Coming out of high school, I didn't have the best grades. I didn't really know what I wanted to do. Honestly, I don't think I would be in the position I am today if it wasn't for going to Ellsworth Community College. My first impression of Ellsworth was the smaller size of it, kind of home feeling you get in Iowa Falls, which to me, I love that. The professors there were super nice, especially going up through college, not knowing that I wanted to do it. Feeling like I was wanted there kind of helped make that decision easier.
So this is a Cope's gray tree frog. The kids in a field trip all collectively named him Spider Frog because he will stick to anything with his little toe pads. My job is in the Driftless Area Education and Visitor Center. Everyone from the little preschooler to 65 and older, they all learn something when they come in here. But without going to Ellsworth and experiencing Calkins, I definitely want to be here.
Ellsworth Community College is going to have quite a few trades program, like our ag programs, our equine programs. We have nursing, graphic design, welding, and of course conservation technology. Calkins Nature Center, it's Ellsworth Community College's outdoor classroom specifically for the conservation technology program. So we're able to bring students out here so they can get that hands-on experience through removing invasives or testing water quality, so on and so forth. I think it's extremely important to make sure we make the most well-rounded, what I call land stewards.
Instead of sitting in a classroom, you get to go outside and any type of that wildlife, you get to see in person, which I think is amazing. Becca and I met in middle school. We went through high school together. She was going on a visit to Ellsworth. She asked if I wanted to come, and I was like, sure.
We were just friends, and I knew they had a conservation program, and I knew he was interested in it, and I said, it may be what you want to do. Josh and I got married in 2024 at Calkins. We knew when we worked there that that is where we wanted to get married, and it's a beautiful, beautiful area.
Becca and Josh are responsible for raising the skunk here, Flora, and so she was their flower girl in their wedding, actually, so it was pretty cool.
That place will forever hold a special spot in my heart.
It helped Josh and I coming in as a couple with our money situation just because we weren't coming from a lot of money as it was. So coming to a community college, it was a better way for us to start off than jumping straight into a university.
Growing up, I didn't know that you could get a job working at a fish hatchery and stocking out fish for people. Until I got to Ellsworth where they showed us that there are jobs like that, I knew I wanted to hopefully do that for the rest of my career. Going to Ellsworth will set you up for success. It definitely helped get me where I am today.